rightly said by Oprah Winfrey, education is the key to unlock the world. It is the passport to freedom. With this thought, I, Ms. Melvina Machado, on behalf of the entire team of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy, welcomes you all to the 17th annual prize distribution. Life is like a canvas, painted with vibrant colors of experiences, choices and emotions. Each brushstroke tells a story, each color reveals a truth, and every masterpiece is a reflection of a unique soul. A quote well defining the life journey of our today's guest of the evening, Mr. Sudham Kumbar, a renowned educationist, administrator and a counselor. Sir has served as an assistant teacher, supervisor and principal with a total length of 35 years of service. Currently, Sir is associated with Vidya Vikas Education Society, Vikroli, Mumbai as a chief advisor, where he continues to share his expertise and guidance. Sir's contribution to the field of education is numerous. I request Rachna ma'am and Ranjana ma'am to honor our today's guest and also the other dignitaries. I request Prachi ma'am, Dr. Sheetal ma'am and Manisha Adelkar ma'am to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Sudham Kumbar. We welcome you, ma'am. Now, I request Ranjana Kolvankar, ma'am, to guide our students and parents with her motivational words.
A very delightful evening to one and all. President of AV Education Society, Shri Vikas Narasimha Vartak sir, our distinguished chief guest of today's function, Shri Sudham Kumbar sir and state awardee. Mrs. Prachi Page Vartak madam, chairperson, school committee. Our president sir, due to his busy schedule, sir is unable to attend this program. I request Prachi madam to preside over the function and have the presidential speech. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Sheetal Koradkar, Principal of Padma Shri Bhau Sahib Vartak College, Principal of Secondary Section, Mrs. Rachna Sharma, Mrs. Manisha Adelkar, Supervisor of NG Vartak English Medium High School. My dedicated staff, dear parents, and all charming students. I heartily welcome you all for this special event filled with joy, entertainment, achievement, motivation, and many more. It gives us immense pleasure to host this 17th annual prize distribution ceremony in the academic year 2024-25 with the theme Tribute to our Real Life Heroes, celebrating courage, selflessness, and inspiration. We take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude and are proud to acknowledge the contribution of the unsung heroes who inspired us with their selflessness and perseverance. Dear parents, you must have witnessed that our students have prepared a range of performances to pay a tribute to real life heroes. And the special day defines the community helpers' great contribution to our society well-being. The heroes portrayed are soldiers, doctors, nurses, dabbawalas, NGOs, and our beloved foundress, Mai Sahib, who work towards the upliftment of the Adivasi community. Education is all about igniting young minds and enabling them to reach their full potential. At the foundational stage, the young minds are at the peak of curiosity, where they learn to construct their ideas and execute it effectively. In this era of technology, development where artificial intelligence, robotics and codings are ushering every day, we have taken a step towards empowering our children's future. Understanding the need of an hour, the chairperson of the school committee, Mrs. Prachi Bege Vartak Madam, has introduced Padma Shri Bhavsai Vartak Center for Skill Development and Innovation to equip the students with the technical skills, soft skills and personality development for today and tomorrow. We had a great launching of the Skill Development Center on 14th December 2024 at NG Vartak School. The main objective of the NEP 2020 and NCF is to promote quality, inclusive and equity in the education system for students, and it is sincerely adopted by our teachers. Also, it is reflected in our day-to-day activities and events. We are extremely grateful to our President, Honorable Shri Vikas Vartak Sir, for his strong guidance. We are also thankful to you, dear parents, for your unwavering support as always we get. Various skill development courses have started from class 4th till class 10. Parents who did not enroll their children in this pilot batch are encouraged to take this opportunity to enroll them in the upcoming batch, which will begin shortly. I want to express sincere thanks to all the parents for their wonderful support in enrolling the students for AI robotics and soft skills. This beautiful evening is a proud feeling moment for every parent to see the performances and the talents of their ward. And I am proud to say that more than 500 students are participating in today's event from class nursery till class 10. And I'm sure this opportunity will encourage to these young buddies to prove their talents and share the responsibility at this age. Dear audience, please appreciate our young buddies and their dedicated teachers with a round of applause for the best efforts to make this evening beautiful with the theme Tribute to our Real Life Heroes. Thank you. You all must have been waiting for the chief guest speech. So without taking much of your time, I would express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Sri Sudham Kumbhar sir, for accepting our invitation and sparing his valuable time for this auspicious event. Many thanks to our President sir for his continuous support and guidance in the school progress. My special thanks to our respected Prachi Madam for her wholehearted cooperation in every activity we conduct in the welfare of the students and the teachers for the school. Thank you, Madam. My sincere thanks to Dr. Sheetal Koratkar Madam and Mrs. Hemlata Adelkar. Thank you all the dignitaries present on this. I'm extremely thankful to everyone who has assembled here to witness this beautiful event. Your presence will grace the occasion and boost the morale of our students. Last but not the least, our entire teaching and non-teaching staff for their constant support, hard work and attention. Let us continue this to inspire and support each other in our pursuit to the excellence. I conclude and say a simple but powerful reminder of the positive domino effect. Good education can have on many aspects of a person's life and outlook. Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hopes, and hope breeds peace. Without delaying any time, before we proceed forward, I would just request a small request for unveiling of our STV reflection. So I request Darshana to take over.
Thank you so much, Ranjana Madam. It's indeed a pleasure and privilege for me to announce the unveiling of 11th edition of our STV Reflection magazine. So it's indeed a special and a proud moment for all of us. And on the occasion of this auspicious day and on this wonderful occasion, in the presence of our dignitaries, dear parents, our lovely students, we would like to unveil our 11th edition of STV Reflection magazine. A precious document that reflects the exemplary achievements of our school, of our students, of our teachers. The colorful pictures, the visual impressions, and the informative articles depicts the dedication and perseverance of our dear teachers and students. So it's indeed a special and proud moment for all of us. So we are ready to introduce and present the 11th edition of our STV Reflection magazine with the theme Sustainability Development Goals. It's a small step and an initiative taken by our teachers and our students to achieve the 17 goals of the sustainability development that is also adopted globally and promoted in the G20 summit inaugurated by our Prime Minister. So as it is greatly said that the best way to achieve big goals is to make small steps. So yes, our small steps will surely help us to achieve the great milestones of the sustainability development, and the same is reflected and depicted in our cover page of STV Reflection magazine. I'm sure the dignitaries and all our dear parents are truly going to get mesmerized by the cover page of our STV Reflection magazine. I request our chief guest and all the dignitaries to unveil our 11th edition of STV Reflection magazine, a precious document that reflects the exemplary achievements of our teachers, students, the dedication and perseverance of our students. We are sure to an initiative towards achieving. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher. I now request our principal Rachna Sharma ma'am to guide our students.
A very warm welcome to our respected parents, dedicated teachers, hard-working staff, and my dear students. It is a privilege and an immense honor to stand here before you today on this special occasion. I feel deeply humbled to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sudham Kumhar, an educationist par excellence. Mr. Kumhar is a prolific writer and advisor in the field of education, a visionary with the power to inspire and bring transformative changes to our education system. Sir, your presence today is truly inspiring and we are honored to have you with us. Here, I take an opportunity to pay my utmost gratitude to Shri Vikas Vartak, the esteemed President of the AV Education Society. His guidance and support have been the cornerstone of our achievements, giving us the confidence to reach for greater heights. If an action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Sir's leadership exemplifies these sentiments, and we are grateful for Sir's constant encouragement. I am delighted to welcome Mrs. Prachi Bage, the dynamic chairperson of our school management committee. Ma'am, your visionary leadership and pivotal role in establishing Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak Center for Skill Development and Innovation have opened new doors of opportunity for our students. As Walt Disney once said, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Madam, your constant encouragement to explore innovative ideas inspire us all to aim higher and achieve more. We have among us Dr. Sheetal Koradkar, IC Principal of Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak Senior College, Mrs. Ranjana Kolvankar, Headmistress of Primary Section, Mrs. Hemlata Adelkar, Primary Section Supervisor of NGV High School. I am delighted to welcome you all. Dear audience, heroes are not always found in caves. They are ordinary individuals who accomplish extraordinary feats through courage, resilience, and compassion. So, on the account of our 17th annual prize distribution ceremony, let us celebrate the real life heroes. As we look through our lives, we may find many such champions, but I would like to take this opportunity to bring the spotlight to my teachers. My teachers, my team of non-teaching staff also, have always showered their love and dedication upon their students. It is commendable how they have struck a perfect balance between the academics and activities. Let us look the highlights of this year. Even this year, our students made us proud with 100% AISSC 23-24 result in class 10 CBSE board exams. 46% students secured above 90%. Let us give them a big round of applause. It is my pleasure to announce that Master Anuruddh Bera of class 6 has successfully qualified for the second level of Dr. Homi Baba exam. Moreover, he also stood first across the Maharashtra and Goa in Unified International General Knowledge Olympiad. Not only in academics, but in sports also, we received many laurels. It is noteworthy that Ms. Rutva Rathod from class 6 bagged first prize in Palghar Jilla Badminton Foundation. All these achievements are testament of all hard work that has been put behind the scenes. The NEP envisioned an education system that fosters critical thinking, creativity, and holistic development. In line with this vision, our school has embraced innovative measures to promote entrepreneurship and vocational courses. By equipping students with practical skills and entrepreneurial mindset, we are enabling them to become change maker and problem solver in their community. It gives us an immense pleasure to share a strong step initiated by AV Education Society's School Committee 23-26 launched the pilot project of Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak for Skill Development Innovation on 14 December 2024. Till now, more than 300 students have enrolled for the courses and taking benefits. Dear parents, in today's fast-paced world, our children face challenges that requires more than academic knowledge. They need resilience, empathy, and the ability to navigate emotions effectively. Emotions well-being is the key to unlocking their true potential. School enhances by incorporating social and emotional learning, offering counseling whenever they require, promoting teamwork, mindfulness, creative outlet, and a safe environment. And we believe this can only be achieved through a strong partnership between the school and parents. Thank you, parents, for an unwavering support and trust. Dear students, we have all witnessed the brilliance of Grandmaster D. Gokesh, the youngest chess world championship. All have heard or not about them? About D. Gokesh, all have heard? Yes. Who has exemplified what unwavering dedication, resilience and focus can accomplish on the global stage. So, as students, you too have the potential to excel in your strong chosen paths. Whether it's academics, sports, arts or any other field, let's Gokesh's story remind you of the power of perseverance. Embrace challenges as stepping stone, stay focused on your goals and never stop learning. Remember, success is not about competing with others. It's about improving yourself every single day. The world is waiting to see the champion in you. All are ready? I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed management, as this year we have witnessed several remarkable upgrades that reflect the management's vision for excellence. The installation of upgrade smart boards in our classrooms truly enrich the learning experience of our students. Efficient security guard service and enhancing of our CCTV infrastructure. These initiatives are critical steps towards ensuring the safety and well-being of the children, which is always our top priority. So now, it's time to enjoy the cultural program our students and teachers have put together with love. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Rachna ma'am. To summarize the entire academic year to our dignitaries and our parents. Now, I request our today's chief guest, Mr. Sudham Kumar sir, to take over as our teachers, parents, our children are eagerly waiting to hear you.
Good evening to all. I said good evening to all. Thank you. I hope you have that much of stamina to hear me. How long you can hear me? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes? Don't worry. I will not give a lengthy speech. I will try my best to conclude it within a very short period. So, first of all, the dignitaries on the dais. Actually, Honorable Vikas Vartak sir is not here. But with his inspiration, with his motivation, we are here. Today's president and the chief president, we can say, of this function, Honorable Prachi Madam, principals of primary and secondary section, Ranjana Madam and Rachna Madam, Dr. Sheetal Puratkar, the principal, IC principal of Degree College, Manisha Adilkar, the supervisor of NG Vartak School, all the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, parents and dear students. Today we witnessed an amazing program. Actually, we were spellbound and totally speechless. The program you presented, the skill you presented, and the credit goes to your parents and your teachers. So first of all, I congratulate the teachers and your parents. When you are in the school, your teachers are your parents. They are your role models. They teach you, they guide you, they are mentoring you, they are advisors, they play different types of roles, they are directors. That's why it's my advice to the parents and students, trust in your teachers. Follow each and every words of your teachers. असंही म्हणतात, little bit, I will speak in Marathi, कारण माझी मातृभाषा मराठी आहे. असंही म्हणतात, विद्यार्थी जेव्हा शाळेत येतो तेव्हा त्याची पूर्ण सुरक्षा, त्याची सुरक्षितता, त्याचं पालकत्व हे शिक्षकांकडे असतं. आणि ते शिक्षकच तुमचे खऱ्या अर्थाने शाळेतील पालक असतात. आजचा प्रोग्राम पाहिल्यानंतर मला दोन गोष्टींची जाणीव झाली. दॅट इज स्पेशली फॉर द टीचर्स. द रोल ऑफ टीचर्स आय ऑब्झर्व टुडे. Your dedication and your devotion was the grand success of today's program. So, parents, what is the role of parents? I can say here, you are the backbone of the kids. Without your support, without your motivation, they can't do this. And I observed the performance of the parents, moms and dads. The school is trying to reach in the community, to reach in the society, to reach each and every family by presenting this type of programs. So parents can say, this is my school. The child can say, this is my school. After 10 years, after 20 years, if you see today's photographs, today's videos, you will recall the golden memories. Yes, I was there in the program. I danced. The teachers taught us, the teachers gave the lessons of choreography, and we were there with our little ones. So once again, I appreciate the hard efforts of the teachers they have taken. Now the kids, you are the heroes, and the theme of today's program is the tribute to real heroes. So follow the steps, try to be in their shoes. Maybe someone will be in the future Sindhu Tai, APJ Abdul Kalam, and the pictures you see here, you can serve the society with your talent, with your brilliance. Definitely, you will try your best in future to follow the guidelines given by the school, and you will be a great personality in future. भविष्यामध्ये जे जे तुम्ही होणार आहात ते शाळेनं दिलेल्या या संस्कारापासून तुम्ही बरंच काही पुढे घडवणार आहात. हे घडवण्यासाठी या शाळेचे जे प्रयत्न मी पाहिले, विविध प्रकारचे उपक्रम प्रत्येक दिवस त्यांनी साजरा केलेला आहे. अगदी योगा डे पासून तो कालचा संविधान दिवसापर्यंत ज्या पद्धतीने त्यांनी प्रत्येक दिवसाचं महत्त्व तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवलेलं आहे. शिवाय तुमची सुरक्षितता न विसरता, बालकांची सुरक्षितता आज हे प्रत्येक शाळेचं आद्य कर्तव्य झालेलं आहे आणि ती शाळा विसरलेली नाही. बालकांची सुरक्षितता विचारात घेऊन त्यांच्यासाठी जेवढे उपक्रम करता येतील तेवढे या शाळेने केलेले आहेत. मित्रांनो, शाळा ही आपलं दुसरं घर असतं. शाळेवर जास्तीत जास्त विश्वास ठेवायला पालकांनी हरकत नाही. मी माझ्या 35 वर्षांमध्ये अशा अनेक शाळा पाहिल्या, पण आजची शाळा सुद्धा मला एक आगळीवेगळी शाळा दिसली. कारण द प्रोग्राम्स अरेंज्ड अँड कंडक्टेड बाय द स्कूल, advanced programs were there, culture was there, modern programs were there, were there. themes were totally different. Even I see the local art, which was the song presented in the end. म्हणजे प्रत्येक गोष्टीला या शाळेने प्राधान्य दिलेलं आहे. नक्कीच असाच फायदा या माध्यमातून तुम्ही घेत राहाल, एक चांगलं शिक्षण तुम्ही घ्याल, यासाठी मी तुम्हा सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो. थँक्यू. या शाळेने मला या खास कार्यक्रमासाठी निमंत्रण दिलं आणि मला एक वेगळं काहीतरी पाहण्याचा आनंद मिळाला, यासाठी मी पुन्हा एकदा शाळेचे आभार व्यक्त करतो. धन्यवाद.
Good evening, one and all. I said good evening. Thank you, thank you. Respected chief guest of today's function, Mr. Sudham Kumar sir. Honorable President of AV Education Society, Mr. Vikas Vartak sir. Principal of the school, Mrs. Rachna Sharma madam. Headmistress of the school, Mrs. Ranjana Kolvankar madam. IC Principal of our Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak College, Sheetal Koradkar madam. Dr. Sheetal Koradkar madam. Mrs. Manisha Adelkar madam, Supervisor of NG Vartak English Medium School and Junior College. My dear parents, my dear students, my dear teachers, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy. It is so great to be a part of today's function. Sir, as you rightly pointed, we are spellbound. I'm really mesmerized since the time I sat here to see such a wonderful theme, a tribute to our real heroes. So a big round of applause to our principal, headmistress, all the teachers. And what an amazing collaboration. The students performing, the parents performing. It was such a great sight to see. Now, as we have all respected dignitaries on the dais, all our learned parents there, all our informed parents, I just want to emphasize few things. I also want to make it very short because I don't want to hold our children from prize distribution further. So the average age of our country, can anybody tell me the average age of our country? Well, India is a very young nation and the average age of our country is 28 years or 29 years because majority आपली population ही youth population आहे. म्हणजे just imagine आपण पुढच्या दशकामध्ये coming decade we are going to contribute 25%. India is going to contribute 25% of workforce to the global populace, to the global workforce. From India, 25% youth would be there who would work and contribute not only to our nation but to the entire globe. So I believe it's a great opportunity. The coming decade, it's a great opportunity for students to learn, to study, to foster skills and select the right careers. And that is one primary intent which already Rachna ma'am and Ranjana ma'am has communicated, that we have launched a skill development and innovation center last week. So as they have requested, I continue the same request that parents do avail that amazing knowledge your children would get in the skill development center. Well, but today every moment as the program is going ahead, I'm getting impressed, not just with the activities, but the amazing STV reflection which has reflected and presented the sustainable development goals given by the United Nations, were a part of the G20 summit. Okay, so I wish to emphasize only one thing. Parents, are you listening? Teachers, are you listening? I want everybody including me, to focus on the SDG 3, because for skills, for academics, for sports, all of you are doing wonderful. Okay, all of you are doing wonderful. But SDG 3 is about health and well-being. So let us emphasize on this important goal, that we all take care of our health.
not just our physical fitness but also our mental well-being. So for a better future of our country and the globe, let's educate our children, let them foster into the environment of skills, and we also take care of their well-being. And I wish to conclude, thank you so much, and as we advance, as we move towards the new year, wishing all of you a happy new year 2025 in advance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for your inspirational words.